The first time I went to the flower garden, I tripped out about how the roses and everything was blossoming and growing, because I think about like the harsh conditions that we're in right now. And the rose is in the same harsh conditions around cement, dirt, and wired gates and everything else. It's still able to grow. And so it forced me to ask myself, like, if this rose can grow in these harsh conditions, why can't I?
My favorite part that I love in the gardening is the pruning aspect. The pruning aspect for me has two applications. One is I can help nurture this plant to either cut off some fungus, something that will destroy the plant, and I can watch it grow, and I can apply it to my life for things that I need to prune out of my life also.
When I come in here, I greet the plants throughout the week. Anytime I have stress or anxiety, I have this with me, and then I'm able to receive that connection once again.